All right, so I'm going to do practice question 21 from chapter 6, and it says, what is an example of a mechanistic step involved in an E2 reaction? So first things first is you have to think about what an E2 reaction is. And we know that it should have a strong base, there's going to be a leaving group, and you also know that it should have a protic solvent, right? I guess protic solvent isn't really important in this particular question, but you do need to know that you should have a strong base and you need to end up having a leaving group. So if we're looking at this, I'm basically going to draw like what each answer choice is doing. So in A, the one of the lone pairs from the OH is going and forming a double bond. So you'll have a double bond here, and it is causing the chlorine to go off. Like it's causing like a chain reaction, I guess. I don't know. And so then the chlorine should have all of its lone pairs and a negative charge. In this next step, in B, the lone pair from the molecule here is going and attacking the hydrogen. And so the hydrogen is just going to be attached. So then in the end, it's just going to look like a regular pentene. And so in the next step, you see the OH is going to go and attack the hydrogen, and that hydrogen is going to form a double bond and get rid of that plus charge there. And so, so you'll basically end up having this molecule, which is honestly the closest to the elimination reaction, because at least then you're getting a double bond. So far there has not been I guess there was a double bond formed here, but it wasn't actually, I don't know, it was a different type of double bond formed. But anyway, so moving on, as we can see here, this base here goes and attacks the hydrogen. The hydrogen loses its lone pairs, and those lone pairs go to form a double bond right there, which causes the bromine, or the leaving group, to leave. And so you will end up getting something, don't judge my bicyclic structure thing. It's not good, I know, it's okay. But in the end, you get both of these. You have this here, and then your bromine. And so if you look back at all of them, you want to look at which one's forming a double bond, which one has a strong base, and which one has a leaving group. And the only one of these that follows all three of those is D. So D is the answer.